Hey everybody out there, Magnus here. Hopefully you're having an incredible day. My day's pretty good. I am here at the shop and I wanted to just do a little video for you guys, an update video of sorts on a few things. I know there's a bunch of you guys taking advantage of my Patreon. I know you'll subscribe for a month, maybe unsubscribe depending on the bonus content. This month's bonus content is my old Vambrace elbow pattern, as well as art pack number 6, which has a circle wolf, a squid/octopus, tree of life. There's another small serpent in that art pack. And so that's just on top of all the other patterns that I'll release in a month. You guys get that as well. So my Patreon is month to month. The stuff I release on that month you get, and then it gets taken down at the end of the month, along with the bonus content. So there's that. There's new content on darkhorseworkshop.com. My old YouTube builds are going up there because almost all of my YouTube builds are things that I just built and then they sit on a shelf. So the prices were pretty high at first on most of them because I was, they're my babies, I don't want to sell them. But I've started to lower the price and come to realize that I can get rid of them. It's not that big a deal. Now, if you have seen a video and you're expecting something to be up there and it's not up there, I just haven't gotten around to it, feel free to email me, info@darkhorseworkshop.com, and I will put it up there for you and maybe you can pick it up. New to channel members this month is your ability to commission something from me. Now, this is not a guaranteed spot, but in order for me to not get overwhelmed with emails for commissions, I'm going to leave this open to channel members only. There's no guarantee I'm going to pick your item. Just a heads up. But if you want to email me at info@darkhorseworkshop.com and you're a channel member, maybe you have some cool medieval fantasy inspired project that you'd like to get done and that I can probably make into a pattern and sell to everybody else after you've got yours, that would be really cool. So just keep the theme in mind and get in touch because I'm really interested. And if you're like,
oh, but Magnus, I'm not a channel member,
just hit the join button and join the channel. It's very inexpensive. You get some cool emojis and my never-ending thanks. And you can possibly make you something. Next up is my gaming channel. Now, I started a gaming channel a few months ago. I'm doing occasional live streams. Come and hang out. Maybe play some games with me. Who knows? But if that's kind of your thing, I'm trying to get up to the magical 1,000 subscriber mark, which would be very cool. Hey, if you aren't even into games, you don't want to ask me any questions, and you could care less, come on over and subscribe anyways and help me get to that 1,000. That'd be really cool. Link in the description down below. Last couple of things, remember that you can get patterns and artwork for use in your projects that you can take and sell to other people on my website, darkhorseworkshop.com. I continuously get emails from people and they ask me, can I sell this? Yeah, of course you can sell. That's the point. You can sell the thing that you make with the pattern. Go ahead and sell it. Doesn't matter to me. Also remember that if you're looking to help the channel out even more, I've got links to all sorts of tools and supplies in the description of every single one of my videos. And I've also got links to tools and supplies on my website. Obviously, any of you guys who have been around a while know what's next. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for future videos, hit that notification button so you don't miss any of my content. And until next time, keep on being creative in whatever it is you do.